How to contact Facebook Messenger support. If you're having trouble with Facebook Messenger and need to contact support, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to get in touch with Facebook Messenger customer support. You can resolve any issues you might be having. First things first, what you need to do is open your Messenger app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account so we can access the help options. Now, once you're in the app, tap on your profile in the top left corner of your screen and simply go to settings. From there, scroll down until you find an option that says help. Tap on it. Here you can find various options. Now you have a couple of options. If you're experiencing a technical issue, you can tap on report a problem to send a detailed support to Facebook support team. If you need general help or answers to common questions, simply tap on here to simply find an answer and solve your issue. Now, if you prefer contacting Facebook Messenger support directly, you can also visit Facebook's official help center on the web. To do that, what you need to do is simply type in www.facebook.com/help. Here, simply log into your account and select Messenger in the search bar. Simply type in Messenger, and here you'll find a list of FAQs and the option to contact support if needed. And that's it. You've now got all the steps you need to contact Facebook Messenger support.